Hello everyone, happy Mega Monday. Ignore the mess that is myself and my place, but hey, there's a cute cat. Hey, Emmy. Today we're opening 4 boxes or 4 subscriptions that are under $20. I was trying to think of what could be a theme really quick before filming this for Mega Monday, and I was thinking one box that I peeked at, which is becoming the top 3 for me, or is in the top 3 boxes, and that's only $14. That kind of just sparked this idea. So before we get started, hi everyone, welcome. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them often here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I think this might be the last video before I move. It's almost there. It's a final countdown. So you may not see me until there's a new background behind me. So I'm sure you guys are a little annoyed by this mess. So I didn't make my bed because Emmy was sleeping there. But now she's up. I closed the door, and you know how cats are. I'm kind of the same way. We don't like closed doors here. But anyway, let's get started because I've got some packing to do. I know you guys are busy bees too. So let's start with that box I mentioned that's becoming one of my favorites. This is Awakening in a Box. They have several different subscription plans. This is their most affordable option, $14 a month, like I said earlier, and you get 3 healing crystals every month along with some other items to go with a theme, and it's pretty freaking awesome. So everything I'm opening today will of course be linked down below. And you guys, I peeked at this the other night and I squealed. Whenever I do that squeal, which I know bothers some people, you know, throwback, remember that survey I put out, which I plan to do again in the future, but people said they didn't like my laugh. Well, I did that times 10. But anyways, let's do a little peek. So they always have a little card in here that also doubles as an art print. And on the print it says, as above, so below. And then there's a note from the curator on the back. And the theme is, welcome to the Joy and Healing Awakening box. So I'm super excited about this. And by the way, I'll link them down below. It's their Cratejoy website. They also have a tarot box, an oracle card box, one that you can get both of those from. And I believe there's just crystals only box. So they talk about the items on here, but isn't that so beautiful? I love it. The nature and as above, so below, you know. Oh, there's even crystals right there. So me. But yeah, so how about we start off with the crystals? We get 3 every month, like I said, and then, you guys, we got an oracle deck. I love it. I pulled out a card the other night, and I was really excited about it. I thought it was great, but, so we have 3 here. I recognize one right away, because I have that, the Sun Rose, or Sun, was that what it's called? Sorry, my phone is on the charger on my bed, and it is going off. So we have little cards for each, and they have affirmations on them, and then they talk about the properties of the crystal. And oh my gosh, I forgot. I should have known. I peeked, like I said, but I have an emerald here, which is my birthstone. I was born in May 5th. What's your birthstone, by the way? But anyways, okay, so emerald, it is time to move ahead to discover the purpose of my existence and my own truth. So they each come in a bag that's labeled so you know what it is. It's called Desert Rose. What did I call it earlier? Was I right with that? I don't know. But the one crystal is a Desert Rose. Did I already misplace it? Here it is. So yeah, I have a couple right here. Here's one I got in the Tamed Wild box, which I think is in my mailbox right now. I got that today. But these are awesome. And this one says, I am worthy, talented, deserving, and healthy. I love that. I'm not going to read all the descriptions, just the affirmations for time's sake. And then we have Amazonite. I only have little ones of this, and it's such a pretty color. Yay. I'm just going to keep these all together because I'm about to, I'm doing my room last for packing. So I'm I have to wrap up all my crystals and make sure they are, you know, transported safely. So I'm going to leave these in the bags and just put them in with my other crystals I'm packing up. But anyway, so we have May I Find Joy Oracle deck, which is perfect, goes with the theme, and it is beautiful. All the cards look just like this, and on the back it says, the joy we seek is right here. And I think this is great, so you can just use this as part of your daily practice, or if you're feeling down, pick a card, and it will tell you a way to experience joy. How about we pick one? But I was talking, hi Emmy, can you sense my excitement? So all the cards look like this. They're really easy to shuffle, but let's see. This one says, I slow down. So maybe you're just so busy all the time. Is that not focusing? Sorry. There we go. Look, it thinks there's, well, I don't know why I said look. For me, like, I could see the box around my face right now. It was, like, focusing in the background. Maybe there's a spirit here. This is the one I pulled the other day. I was just, like, over the weekend, I was kind of drinking some beers and I was, like, getting stuff done around the house with my friend, and I pulled this one, and I was feeling really joyous. I didn't really feel like I needed, like, a way to find joy, because I've been really happy. And then this one came out and I was like, oh my god, I've been drinking beer this whole weekend and not any water. So it's like, perfect. I have water right here, but then there's other things like this, like I pause and savor the moment. I don't know. I just really love stuff like this. You guys know, I think it's beautiful. So I'm just super excited about it. And then the last thing in this box is healing salts. So it says use in the bath as a foot and hand soak, or surround your crystals in the salts to cleanse them and imbue healing energy. Oh, I just love stuff like this. I feel like, I know some people might think it's weird or whatever you want to think. It's made a difference in my life. The crystals, positive affirmations, all this stuff has made a world of difference. So I'm all about it. Maybe someone needed to hear that. Maybe you have $14 spirit, and if you don't, you can just look stuff up online. I can read these cards to you guys every day. If you guys want me to, I totally would. But let's move on. I love it. That box, I love it every single month. But let's move on to the next one. So this is Sippy. This is a personalized tea subscription. It is $15 a month. You can get your first box for $10, I believe. I'll leave all the information down below, but I think I don't know if I have a code anymore, but when you go to the website, last I checked, there's a pop-up, so you can put that in. And when I signed up for the Awakening box, which I do pay for that one myself, the rest are opening today, or I'll send through PR. Super grateful, not sponsored. So yeah, pretty sure. But when I first signed up for the other one, and I saved a few dollars. If there's a code, of course, I'll leave it down below. So when you sign up for Sippy, you let them know like your preferences, like do you like caffeinated versus non-caffeinated. I checked caffeinated, please. Occasional non-caffeinated, and I'm open to like pretty much all flavors. So this is the August box. I think these are all August, yeah. Because it's August 30th, right? Crazy, because September 1st I knew. This is made for Kitty on it, and it lists the teas, gives a little description, talks about the caffeine content. 2 of them say high caffeine. Yeah. And then we have our tea bags here. So we usually get 4 of each kind, and there's 4 kinds total, so you get 15 to 16 tea bags per month. And this is by Choice Organics Black Tea English Breakfast. I knew a British friend, or I know a British friend that really likes English breakfast. And next up, we have Numi Organic Tea, and this is Mate Lemon. I love yerba mate. Green tea and lemon myrtle. I like the sound of this. And I like how it says high caffeine. Usually green tea's lower caffeine, but that mate in it must give it that little edge, you know? And then we have an Earl Grey. Oh, it says Earl Greyer. Earl Greyer by the Republic of Tea. More of a good thing, round black tea bag. Earl Greyer. This is a beautiful bag. Is that like a wave there or a sky? Oh, I think it's sky. Cool. And then we must have a loose leaf tea. I love that when we do, they give us this bag. It's a muslin tea cloth bag, and then inside there's disposable tea bags. And we have cookie tea. You guys, I love cookies. I've already had like 6 today. I have a problem. You know, I like lost weight recently. I think I'm starting to climb back up because my cookie consumption's climbing up, but it's okay. Salted caramel cookie, yum! OMG, this sounds so good to me. Enjoy decadent caramel. Do you guys say caramel or caramel? It depends on how it's written for me. Like this says the extra A in it, so caramel cookie green tea. A hint of salt complements this layered flavors of caramel and cocoa butter for a unique treat. I have to say, this sounds the best to me. Maybe I can start drinking cookie tea instead of eating as many cookies. I'm not going to ever take away my cookies because I love them. But yay, let's move on, you guys, to Splendi's. Splendi's is a monthly panty subscription. It is $14.99 a month, or is it $14? I think it's $14.99 a month. You can get your first month for 50% off. There's a code June50 that's worked forever. And also when you go on their website, there's a pop-up to get the first month 50% off too. And they offer a wide size range. If you're in the plus size range, they call it voluptuous. I like that for voluptuous ladies. It's $2 more for your panties, so it's $16.99. Okay, you get 3 a month. You get to personalize it, as in you get to select if you want it to be all surprise, which I chose. So it could be like a mix of thongs and brief panties, or full back panties, or you can just choose all thongs or all brief panties, or whatever you want to call it. Regular panties, ones that cover your bum. The panties are wrapped up nice and pretty tissue, which I try and save. Just ripped it a little bit. It's very black, this one, which I associate with like kind of sexy. So I get another panty subscription sent to me called Heaven Panty, and I think that's more like sexy panties, and these are more like everyday, but you do get a little, you know, sexy, cute in a way, kind. But the first pair right on top is a black thong. And you guys, I got 2 boxes or 2 bags for Splendis, and I think I got this one twice. I put it right over here. I'll grab it because I wasn't sure if they'd be the exact same, because sometimes that happens. I don't know how I ended up getting 2 a month. I love that, I do. But they're actually different. So I can show you 6 pairs, or I guess, you know, there's 1 duplicate. And this is the next one. So we have 1 thong and then 2 of the full backs. And this one's super cute. See, like this one's like be a little cheeky, but like it's really comfortable and cute and sexy. And then we have a black pair. I like getting this black pairs. TMI, totally, but I'm just a walking ball of TMI. I always like to say. But I have my period right now, and I like could always use more kinds like this that make you feel cute still, but you know, are there just in case. Let me grab the one right here that I peeked in. And we have another polka dot one. So here's the, yeah, that black thong that I showed you earlier, but then the 2 other pairs, and this one actually had all thongs in it, which is rare. Sometimes I'll get all like of the full back kind, but usually it's 2 full back and 1 thong when you get the surprise, in my experience. And here is this one. So this is one of those ones that like is nice, that should be like a no-show underneath your clothing. You don't like want those lines, you know? Same with this one too. And this one's cool. It's a camouflage color, but they're hearts. I think this one is my favorite of that one for sure. Or I guess both, yeah. This is the winner for me. What pair did you think was the best? And are we panty twins? Do we have the same panties? Let me know. But let's move on to our last subscription for today, our last box, and this is by Look Fantastic. This is a beauty subscription. I love the box this month. This one, I believe, cost $19 or $17. There is a code to save on your first month. I can't remember all the details. I apologize, but it will be down below. But it's definitely under $20, like all of the boxes. And let me open it up. Look how pretty she is. So this is their August edition. I like this that comes with it. So it'll talk about the items inside and then like more information. It's like a little mini magazine. And oh cool, she's got multiple nose rings. And it kind of goes with her curly hair. I like that whole aesthetic. Togetherness. Let's get together again. Discover, learn, inspire. And then we got our items inside. So let's get started. We have Bubble Tea Bath and Body Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. Ooh, this is like pretty big. It's packed with the scents of tangy rhubarb and creamy custard. Indulge and relax with a sweet treat-inspired bath fizzer. Smells good. I'm trying not to open anything because, you know, I keep telling you guys a million times, but it's my life right now. I'm moving. Oh, cool. A mask remover. Nice. Glove Home Spa Mask Remover. Effortless beauty. Innovative fiber technology removes cosmetic masks with water. Nice. Oh, let's see. And this is a reclosable bag, so you can keep this to store it in. I just wanted to feel it. Yeah, it's like a little softer than a regular towel. Yeah, microfiber. Nice, and it's pink. You know we like girly shit here. Girly shit. That's kind of like, I'm not feeling smart today, but the 2 words go together. They really go together. Oxymoron? I don't know. Let's move on before I sound more like a fool. This is by Skin Mono. Radiance Recovery 4C. Plumping collagen, calming chamomile, refreshing cucumber, firming C peptides. Oh, it's an eye mask. I've never heard of this brand. I like how their logo looks though. I like the gold and cream beige. Ooh, and it helps with dark circles and puffiness. I get puffy under my eyes no matter what. I'm pretty sure it's an allergy thing, because even when I sleep, it doesn't really go away, like maybe you can tell. Sometimes I can like put more makeup on than I have on today, but we don't need to do that here. I didn't even put on, I think I'm in an oversized shirt and jean shorts. The jean short part probably doesn't surprise anyone, but now we have Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. Ooh, I've tried a lot of Ahava products through subscription boxes. I've never heard of this one. It's their Superfood Kale and Turmeric Body Lotion. I really liked their Spring Blossom scent. That was a body lotion too, I believe. It was purple. It smelled really good. I'm not sure they're cruelty-free though. Just FYI if that you follow that lifestyle. But next up we have by Filorga Laboratories Age Purify Intensive Serum Double Correction. Double Correction Serum. It helps with wrinkles and blemishes. That is amazing to hear. That's like for people my age, or any age, I guess. It doesn't matter. But like for me, I like think it's so unfair. Pimples, wrinkles. Why at the same time? Come on now. Can't we just suffer through one? But I love that they are, oh my god. It's just the first time I've seen that written on one, like, you know, the claims. That's awesome. I wonder what's in it. So this is a deluxe size, obviously. But I am going to look that up and see what the ingredients are. It's probably in the little booklet maybe. To know how it does both. Because I want to try and incorporate whatever's in that into my routine. But last up, the last item for today is Ciate London's Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Matchmaker. And I think I have this already, so I'm probably going to throw this in one of my giveaways I have going on, which I believe the giveaway ends today. And I'm still waiting to hear back on some of the winners from the previous giveaway, so I may be picking new winners. I might have, yeah, I think today's the day I pick winners for the one that's in the most recent video. But anyways, I'll link both of my giveaway videos that have been going on. Trying to get some stuff to you guys as a thank you and also clear out some things before I move. So I'll definitely be contacting you guys and picking winners before I move so I can ship stuff out to you. But this is what it looks like. Sorry if I didn't pack up my own makeup already. I would show you guys a swatch. But I like this. It's like a blush but also highlight because it has a little bit of shimmer. And that's kind of what I'm going for. Like I'm actually doing that today. I have the Kosas cream blush. 8th Muse, and I just use the like highlight shade as my blush too because it still provides some pigment. I love this, by the way. Definitely recommend. But anyways, you guys, that's it for today. What was your favorite box? I can't wait to hear. I may try and film again because I do have some boxes, but I may end up just throwing them in the trailer when we move. I move and have help moving. Thank you for helping me. You know who you are, but yes, I will maybe see you again in this space, but probably realistically next time we see each other I will be in my new apartment with my little girl Amy who's right by my feet. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know what's new with you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I hope you had a good weekend. I love you so much and I will see you super soon. Bye.